For 2025, Aprilia has sharpened the focus of its Tuono V4 and Tuono V4 factory models, making them even more performance-oriented. These updates include a larger capacity engine, enhanced aerodynamics, and a cutting-edge electronics package. While both variants remain firmly rooted in the high-performance naked bike segment, their roles have become even more distinct. The base model is geared towards sporty road riders, while the factory version caters to riders who demand racetrack precision. To comply with the stringent Euro 5+ emissions standards without sacrificing performance, Aprilia has increased the V4 engine's displacement from 1077cc to 1099cc. This bump in capacity brings a claimed power output of 180 horsepower at 11,800 rpm, while torque remains unchanged at a robust 121 Nm at 9,650 rpm. This performance boost is achieved via larger 52mm throttle bodies and a redesigned exhaust system. The catalytic converter has been repositioned to reduce the amount of heat reaching the rider, improving comfort during spirited rides. The chassis setup remains unchanged for 2025, with the Tuono V4 continuing to use a proven aluminum twin spar frame. However, the frame now comes in a matte black finish for a more aggressive look. The base model still features fully adjustable SAC suspension, while the factory version benefits from Öhlins semi-active Smart EC2 suspension for a more dynamic riding experience. Both bikes retain Brembo Stylema brake calipers rather than the new Hyper units found on the updated RS-V4. Seat height for both models is set at 836 mm. Visually, both Tuonos inherit the updated RS-V4 bodywork, complete with integrated, overlapping winglets. Aprilia claims these winglets add up to 2.5 kilograms of downforce at 250 kilometers per hour, an impressive feat for a naked bike. Additional updates include a refined 5-inch TFT dash with clearer graphics, backlit switchgear for easier nighttime use, and a streamlined rear light cluster that's now easier to remove for track day prep. The wet weight of both models is listed at 211 kilograms. Where the 2025 Tuono V4 factory truly stands out is in its electronics. Borrowed directly from the new RS-V4 factory, it now includes the latest generation of Aprilia Performance Ride Control, which adds adaptive and predictive capabilities to core systems. The base Tuono already comes with cornering ABS, traction control, a bidirectional quick shifter, and multiple engine maps, but the factory takes it several steps further. As standard, the factory includes what were previously optional packs, the Track Pack and Comfort Pack. These bring advanced predictive functions to systems like Aprilia Slide Control and Aprilia Wheelie Control, along with cruise control and cornering lights. For those looking to take their riding to an even more advanced level, the Race Pack, exclusive to the factory, offers a GPS-guided, corner-by-corner setup for the electronics. This can be further enhanced with the Suspension Pack, allowing for corner-specific suspension adjustments as well. These advanced systems are all managed through Aprilia's MIA multimedia platform, available as an accessory on both models, which also turns the Tuono into a data logging tool by letting riders download and analyze ECU data after riding sessions. Overall, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 and V4 factory continue to set the benchmark in the super naked category, now with even sharper performance, smarter electronics, and improved rider-focused refinements.